Stuck with a printer that's gone rogue? Let's get it back in line. First, let's figure out what's wrong. Is it not turning on or flashing error messages? Check the display panel for error codes. No power? Make sure it's plugged in and the outlet works. Next up, the ink or toner cartridges. Open the compartment and see if they're low or empty. Replace them if needed. Use the right type and brand for your printer. If it's not the ink, let's look at the paper feed. Open the paper tray and check for jams or debris. Remove anything blocking the paper path and reload with fresh paper. Now check the connectivity. For wireless printers, ensure it's on the correct network. For USB printers, make sure the cable's secure. If nothing works, try a reset. Most printers have a reset button or option in the settings menu. Resetting can fix software issues. Still no luck? Time to call in the pros. Contact customer support or visit a repair center. With these tips, your printer should be back in action fast. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe for more tech tips.